Morning, Joe here from I Wonder UK. Day 54 of the southwest coast of Bath and final day, if all goes well. Nothing mad happens in the next few hours. I got through to the other side of Swanage yesterday. I was going to camp before it, but I figured that was going to add a couple of miles, and to be honest with you, I get sort of worried or pressured knowing that I've got a train booked. So I want to make sure I can get the ferry. I don't know how often the buses are, so I need to get a ferry, a bus, and then a train. And the train's booked and I don't want to miss it. I was up at first light, hoping to catch the final sunrise of the trip, but unfortunately it's totally clouded over and there is no sun. So that was a waste of time. But I've had breakfast, cup of tea, packed up, ready to go to Devon Point. Last day. First aim point of the day is Ballard Point, and then it's out to somewhere else. Oh, you feel the breeze as soon as you come out from the trees. Oh, I might get heat into my body and we get cracking. That's what I woke up to this morning. It's cleared a bit actually, to be honest with you. It's a lot darker this morning. You could tell because the light of the morning just didn't get through. Anyway, onwards and upwards, literally. Quick look back to Swanage. I was going to camp on the other side of that headland, but I figured that'd give me another couple of miles this morning, which I really didn't want to do. Not for tired or anything, just for time conscious of catching the ferry and the bus, etc. Of course there had to be some steps. Oh, my legs are cold as well. My legs haven't warmed up, my knee is throbbing already. Been going for about 3 minutes. Ballard Point, walking around the head. I'm not sure if one of these sticky up things is Old Harry. There's a couple of names for the point on this and I've forgotten what they are, I do apologise. I think they're forelock or foreleg or something like that. I'll look it up. It's called the Foreland or Handfast Point. I'm assuming one of those pinnacles is Old Harry, but I can't seem to get closer at the moment. Try in a minute and get down there. Yeah, possibly could be Old Harry. Really not sure. When I get down there, I suppose there might be some at the other side. I'll have a look then. Shadow of it. I think I might have been mistaken that previous pinnacle. It might have been one of his brothers, Tom or Dick, because I think this must be Harry. Over there. You're Harry, aren't you? That previous pinnacle, what I was calling Harry, isn't, it's actually Dick, his brother Dick. I'm now going to see if I can, and it does, doesn't it? Not mine, but it does. I'm now going to see if I can find his brother Tom. I'm excellent with faces, but I am useless with names. And for that, Harry, I apologise. Sorry, Harry. There's his brother Tom. So we've met all three brothers now. I need to be getting over there sometime today. Set the screen now. Sandbanks, I believe it's called. please tell me if you can see the Isle of Wight from Swanage or at Ballard Point, because I thought I saw it yesterday. There was just a break in the cloud and it sort of almost just lit that little bit up and I could see white. So as they got white cliffs, and this morning I can see it, but I've been mistaken before and thought an island that started to move was actually a ship, a container ship or something out at sea. My eyesight's not great. But it started amusing me because I can remember many years ago over a family barbecue get together type thing, and we're all talking and my younger brother said he's going on holiday to the Isle of Wight. So me and my next brother down, Nick, spent the rest of the afternoon convincing him he needed a passport. To this day, I don't know, in those days you could go and get a year temporary one, like a bit of cardboard with your photo on. And to this day, I don't know if he did or not. I like to think he did and then hated us, but you know, that's what brothers do, isn't it? Quick view to where I'm going. That's the beach we go down. I know it's not very clear. Central screen now, I think that's where the little estuary comes round just about now. I don't want to finish this off by whining, but it's an observation. I don't know if it's psychological. Well, it's not, because it's hurting. Because sometimes you can get through to the very end, when you get to the end of something you just collapse because you shouldn't have been holding on for that long. It's not that, but as you probably know, my tendons are giving me real grief all the way through. Well, from about day 20, and I've been nursing them for about 12 days and they started to get better, touch wood. So I sort of forgot about them because since Weymouth I think I've been walking slightly strange, because my right knee went click, my right tendon's gone, and because my right tendon's gone I'm walking funny on that. Now my left one's gone, so I'm doing pigeon steps, if you can remember what they are. Ask someone older if you don't. I've stumbled across some dragon's tooth and it looks a bit like they're smiling. They've got a couple of the bottom ones missing, but it's smiling for definite. Decided to walk along the beach, a couple of reasons. One, it's my last chance, and two, my tendons are ragged. Go for the south coast, it's hobbling a little bit. It's not far now, I'm not sure how far, but yeah, it's the last day, so it can't be that far. They're coming for me. Realised I better explain that. I don't like horses. I got trapped in like a large kissing gate. I think it was Hampton Court or something like that when I was a kid, a very small kid, at 11. And the horse went a bit balmy. It was trying to kick at me. I tried to move out of the way and then it was trying to bite me. So I don't mind them. I think they're magnificent creatures, but I'm always wary to be close to them. So give you a better idea when I'm taking pictures of them on this challenge. This beach is longer than it looks. Oh no, the horses are coming back. Time for me to walk this way, I think. I've got my boots on, it'd be lovely. It's alright for some of us. Barefooted, they're not carrying a bag, are they? Come on, nearly there. Oh, what's this? I imagine that's a great YouTube channel to look up in a still standing. The sun is trying to pop its head out for me one last time. Come on. You know you can do it. And that's it done. Not exactly the most beautiful part of the country, but we got it done, and the ferry's just coming in, so I need to go and catch that because I'm conscious of the time stuff. It's done. If a traffic jam, we gotta wait for this. Cool looking boat though, isn't it? And that's it done. Literally as I was getting to the blue thing at the end, the ferry was coming in, I thought, well, do I wait for a bit? So I got a quick snapshot of it, and over the other side I think there's a little cafe or something. I'm going to treat myself to some breakfast. Southwest Coastal Bath done. But wait, there's more.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
Hi, it's Jay. I've lost count of the times I've nearly been blown off today. Hi there, it's Jay. It's another not good one. What a difference a bit of sun can make to the spirit. Honest morning. That's not normal, is it? That's my normal. There, it's Jay from I Wonder UK.